Having trouble of carrying your heavy bag? Having trouble of putting your things inside? Let me introduce the product Note Bag. No problem and hassle if you're with your note bag. Carrying around a bag that is stuffed with a variety of items that are not well organized can take a lot of space. We researchers propose a product that is multi-purpose bag, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It is a multi-purpose hand carry bag that will find a way to make a solution on the given problems. It is to keep your things organized, and it also has additional compartments or pockets in which you can place small hardware items of various sizes that can be organized in a visual way. Additionally, it can be carried easily, more accessible, and convenient than any bags exist.